Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So I thought I would just update you a little bit on why I haven't done videos last week. And while I do that, I'm going to just do a little bit of fussy cutting. These are actually, I'm just going to fussy cut some of these tags and journal cards that I have on offer in my shop at the moment. This kit is 40% off, so do pop over if you want some extra tags in your stash. So I'm just going to do a little bit of fussy cutting. I don't normally talk about my life really when I'm crafting, because I like you to just get away from everyday life and watch a video without having to know what's going on in other people's lives, because everybody's life is so stressful, isn't it, that I try to just craft and just craft basically and get on with what we're doing. So last week was a bit of a up and down week. I did intend to do videos, but my family needed me a little bit more, so I spent some time chatting to those on the phone, which was really nice. I spoke to my son every day, I spoke to my daughter every day. My son is going through a little bit of I know, up and down at the moment. He lives in the UK, and as you all know, I live in Portugal, so he just needed some TLC, I think, and a little bit of guidance. So that's what I have been trying to give him, and I'm hoping that we're on the right road now, or he is on the right road now. But you know, it's difficult when your family is in a different country. He's there on his own at the moment, so when you've got kids, you just want to sort of wrap them up in cotton wool, don't you? Doesn't matter what age they are, you just want to be there for them. And I did find it myself, I did find it really hard not to be. And it's not easy anymore because of COVID and Brexit. I can't just sort of like jump on a plane and go and see him and make sure he's okay. Plus, I think you probably all know as well that I do take care of my mum as well. She's lived with us, myself and Andy, for the last 3 years since she was poorly, and she can't take care of herself, so she lives with us. So as well, it's not easy for me to sort of like jump on a plane and go off, because mum is bedbound. So it's either myself or Andy has to be with her in the house. So yes, my life is a little bit of complicated in that way, but we did manage to sort my son out. He hopefully is on the right track, on the right road at the moment. So I think it did sort of like shake me up a little bit to know that I wasn't there, or I couldn't be there physically, and it's not nice. And also my daughter, her granddaughter, started nursery school as well, and if any of you are friends with me on Facebook, you will see that. You will see some gorgeous little photos of my granddaughter on there on her first days, looking very apprehensive about going, but she was fine. She was really good. She absolutely adored it. But my daughter is 7 months pregnant, so she was a little bit, I think she was more nervous than my granddaughter was. So but I managed to speak to my kids every day for probably the last 10 days, and it's been wonderful. It's been really nice, and I've managed to get a bit of gardening done just for myself, because I think I just needed a little bit of time out as well. I do a few videos every week. I try and get you almost every day to do a video. I think it helps me as well. I think I love doing videos, and I love to share what I do, and all of the fantastic messages I've got from you, messages, emails, all sorts of things I've had for you, and the messages on Facebook have been amazing. So I just want to say thank you so much for all your love and support. It is amazing, and I know I have some amazing subscribers out there, and you will always be there for me. I know that, and I know I don't share anything, but I don't like to. I like you to watch my videos and know that I'm just going to be making. I'm not going to be going on about my life, because we all have problems in our life. We all have things going on, and sometimes it's nice to just get away from that, and not listen to every other person's problem as well. So I just want you to be able to watch my videos and just go into your crafty little land, without any worries. So that's what I try and do. So I've taken some time off for myself. Andy has been amazing. As you know, Andy is my partner. He is just wonderful, and he is such a little angel in my life. He's brilliant, and he's such a big support as well. So there we go, that's what has been happening, and we all need time off, just to reset our lives. I think sometimes it's just nice to sort of like press the reset button and start again. So I'm going to carry on cutting these out. I'm hoping to get all the videos done this week. Maybe not every day, but I will definitely give you a Friday freebie this week, and we will carry that on. So thank you so much for all of your messages. It's been absolutely wonderful, and I really do thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's just fantastic. You really all are. So okay guys, thank you so much. I hope I haven't bored you too much, but I know you're all there, and I know you support me 100%, so thank you very much. So don't forget, pop over, and these are all 40% off, so you can go and have a little fussy cut as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for listening to me. You take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Alright guys, bye bye.